The cool thing about this is we're doing this demonstration, but we're showing that this is a capability that exists, it works, and it's ready to deploy.
Well, the debate is talking about what the ideal role for drones might be, and it's raged for some time. We look at extensive agriculture, we look at last mile delivery, etc. But I think the standout winner has always been, for us at least, public safety.
When public safety agencies send a drone for surveillance purposes or accident scene, then we would like to make sure that those vehicles are given priority, even though there are lots of commercial vehicles flying in the airspace.
This was a mixed dissimilar aircraft demo between drones and manned aircraft operating in a similar space. This kind of demonstration is important because, one, I don't think people realize sometimes that this capability exists and it can work flawlessly. A lot of people hear about it, but I think we were really proud to show that we can actually do this.
The key things that we need to demonstrate today are deconfliction. This is a small-scale demonstration, whereas there are multiple vehicles and there is a public safety vehicle as well. So the fact is that we are able to deconflict.
So you can imagine drones for traffic accident recovery, for search and rescue, for wildland fires, which we'll speak about in a moment. All of these which require the same things, and whether it's EMTs, whether it's police, whether it's fire.
I think this is important for the public safety sector because this enables them to be more effective and also safe.
All right, I'm Deputy Early with Harris County Precinct 1 Constable's Office. I'm one of the pilots on the Unmanned Aviation Unit. I thought the demonstration was very informative. I really appreciated you guys coming out here and demonstrating it because it's one of the things that have come up over in Harris County. I love how, manned aviation and also unmanned aviation can coexist in the same space and limit, any incidentals that might occur.
They want to use, and they're already using drones, they're already using manned aircraft, but combining those two has been a humongous challenge because they haven't had a system that's in existence to allow them to work in those spaces safely with proper planning, execution, and awareness. And now this system brings that from top to bottom, from strategic to tactical, and allows them to do their job much more effectively.
What we're building here at Unmanned Experts is the architecture and the infrastructure to change AAM. What does that mean? What does that mean? The infrastructure, what we're doing is we're giving the operators the tools to build the infrastructure for what they need, for the areas they need, for their communities. And that could be everything from, just day-to-day flight, where they want to just do, they want to take an air taxi to a football game, or they need to respond to a fire or respond to an emergency of some sort.
And so you can see the helicopter now over to the south of us. So that pilot received an indication to not come into this corridor because there was a drone in the air off of its route now. So it's going to turn around and reset, and then this time he's going to go straight at the drone, and we'll demonstrate how the drone will autonomously move away.
Ciconia is doing conflict management systems. The system provides the necessary data to the operators when they need it, in a manner that they need it, and whenever it's needed, the system takes over the control of the unmanned platform, steers it away, and if needed, it also introduces steering commands to the manned
Climb.
platform.
Turn right. Climb. Turn right. Climb. Climb.
In fact, we believe
Climb.
that first responders are in strongest need for a system that allows all kind of air vehicle to work together. And within first responders, firefighters, they are those that really need it yesterday.
This is what Blue Skies is. It provides the ground and air infrastructure for a mesh network for manned, unmanned, autonomous vehicles to talk to one another using a bespoke, secure language that they can deconflict, they can interoperate, all using the Blue Sky system.
Zero one, they're win in position, commence inbound, let me know.
Charlie 3 is down and powered off.
Copy, down and powered off.